difference between calling someone a war criminal and saying they committed acts that constitute war crimes?
With respect, Senator, they were not sued in their individual capacity. We weren't making allegations about those individuals. And in fact, over the course of the case, the names changed. So later on, the habeas petition became against President Obama because he then became the executive for the purpose of the habeas petition.
I'm well aware the name changed. It probably changed from Bob Gates or from Don Rumsfeld to Bob Gates as well. But they were not the ones in office. They were not the ones who were overseeing the government when you filed these suits and you said they committed acts that constitute war crimes. I don't understand how you expect this committee to believe that there's a difference between saying someone's a war criminal and saying they committed war crimes.
Thank you for the opportunity to explain, Senator. One of the allegations that had been publicly reported with respect to the group of people who were in Guantanamo Bay was an allegation concerning the use of torture. And when you make that allegation, you bring it under laws that themselves constitute crimes of war. That's the way in which the law works. So if you're writing a habeas petition and you say, upon information and belief, Mr. Al-Qahtani was tortured, that allegation is made under a law that says that there was a war crime that occurred as a result of that torture, and you're making that allegation against the United States, but because you can't sue the United States, the actual petition is named in the name of whoever's leading the United States at the time. So later in the course of this, it moved from President Bush, Donald Rumsfeld to President Obama. It's not about the individual. It's about the allegation that that Mr. Al-Qahtani, upon information and belief, had been tortured in the lead up to his detention.